Welcome to the Spice Detective. Thank you very much for watching. Today, I got a very special treat for you. Not a new recipe, but your new toothpaste. I'm going to show you how to make a turmeric toothpaste. Most people think that turmeric is something that will stain you, which is true, but it's not true when it comes to your skin and your teeth. Turmeric actually will make your teeth whiter. So for this very special turmeric toothpaste, the base will be coconut oil. So 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Again, depends on for how many people you're doing it. I'm going to do it for one person, and this should last for about 3 days in the fridge. So you can use it on a daily basis for 3 days, then you make a new batch. Using this toothpaste for a week will actually, you can see results, and the beauty about it, it's completely natural. 1 small teaspoon of turmeric, just a little bit more, okay? And then to bind it all together, I'm going to use some baking soda. It's going to make the toothpaste a little thicker. It will bind everything together. It will help also with the whitening agent. This is pretty much ready, but as you can probably guess, this is not a very delicious paste. So what we need to do is add a little bit of flavor. There are essential oil that come and help us. I have clove, I have peppermint essential oil. You can use cinnamon, you can use whatever you want. Each one of these has its own unique properties, flavors, and benefits. Peppermint is very fresh. It helps with the general health of the mouth and gum. Clove, on the other hand, is a very strong antibacterial agent. For thousands of years, people have been using clove to treat different conditions when it comes to the gum and your health, the health of your mouth. So I'm going to use the clove. It is very powerful, so don't use too much. Just a few drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try with 7. Mix all the ingredients together. If the paste is a little runny, feel free to add some more baking soda, or you can just place it in the fridge for 10 minutes. The coconut oil will solidify and make the paste a little more solid. And that's pretty much it. So now I'm going to go and brush my teeth and show you the results. So guys, here we go. We have the turmeric toothpaste, which is incredible. Just a quick note. This is a new toothbrush. It's completely white. This is the toothbrush I normally use. It is stained, so don't panic. All right, feels great. My mouth feels super clean. Make sure you brush for 2 minutes. Then if you'd like to leave it in for another minute, let it all sit and whiten the teeth, feel free to do so. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Spice Detective. And that's it. Till next time. Ciao.